Okay.
Furby,
Yes, sir.
got yourself a PSA today about something to look at when you're buying a used car.
Well, when you're buying a used car and if you don't know what you're looking at, don't be afraid to bring it into a shop or have it checked out before you buy it.
Exactly.
Not after. I mean, we'll check
Exactly.
it out either way, but
Right.
this, we would have spotted this in a heartbeat. That's the radiator cap. That stuff looks like a melted penny. That's, I call it stop flow.
Yeah.
They call it stop leak.
Yeah.
Unless you're sitting alongside the road and it's a life or death situation, don't put the stuff in. You can see it on my finger.
Yeah.
I can scoop it out of the hose. That right there, that nice slimy stuff there,
Yeah.
that plugs radiators, heater cores. It just messes everything up.
I think our inspections here are maybe 100 to 120 bucks. Totally worth the money that it's going to cost you in getting
Yeah,
your vehicle
'cause-
repaired down the road.
Yeah, because all this stuff does is it plugs radiators, it plugs heater cores. It just pisses everything off.
Yeah, all I can say to add on that is, find yourself somebody reputable, somebody that you trust, and spend the money to get your stuff looked at before you go ahead and make the purchase.
Absolutely. Absolutely.